Conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is word as to join words, phrases, and clauses to form a sentence. Example, number 1 word, Tony and Randy are watching TV. Tony and Randy sedang menonton TV. Conjunction divide into 3. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, subordinating conjunction. And number 3, correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. The example, this material is for you. We buy food and drink, and neither my sister nor I are wearing jackets right now. Example 2, they bring food but they don't eat. Number 2, do you like coffee or tea? And example 3, actually they do the dirty quickly, yet they are lazy. And my friend is very smart, so many people like him. Correlative conjunction. Example 1, life is not only for today but also tomorrow. Adam neither likes apples nor orange, but Nico and Dito join English community. Example 2, either I or my mother can cook the lazy soup, and we are as lazy as them. And example 3, the more harder you work, the more perfect you again. And I wonder whether today will be raining or not. Next, subordinating conjunction. Example number 1, Afifa sweeps the yard while her mother cooks in the kitchen. And number 2, I will leave this house whether you allow me or not. Example 2, I will follow you wherever you go, and you have to have a breakfast before going to school. And then Joe began his work after his friend was gone. And then example, Dito is gloomy because he is broken up by his girlfriend. And she passes the exam although she doesn't study hard. And the last example, I don't know how I can be awake in the middle of the night. And Rustam boils the egg until it comes up to the surface of the water. Thank you.
Skill 9. Non-clause connector. A non-clause functions as a noun in a sentence. It can be object or verb. Example, I know when he will arrive. Object of preposition. Example, I am concerned about when he will arrive. Subject of sentence. Example, when he will arrive is not important. Common connector, it's what, when, where, why, how, whether or if, that, whatever or whenever. Sentence pattern. Sentence pattern number 1 is subject plus verb plus connector plus subject plus verb. Example, I know what you did. Sentence pattern number 2, connector plus subject plus verb plus verb. Example, what you did was wrong. Next, skill 10. Some case a non-clause connector is not a just connector. A non-clause connector can also be subject of the clause at the same time. Example, I do not know what is in the box. What? It's connector plus subject. We are concerned about who will do the work. Who? It's connector plus subject. Whoever is coming to the party must bring a gift. Non-clause function as subject. Key point. Words like what, who, whoever can have two functions at the same time. The first connect clause and become the subject in the noun clause. Skill 11. Use adjective clause connector correctly. Definition. An adjective clause describes a noun. It comes directly after the noun is described. Connector is a word for people, which for things. and that for the people or thing. Sentence patterns is subject plus verb plus noun plus connector plus subject plus verb. Example, I like the book which you recommend. Next, noun plus connector plus subject plus verb plus verb. TOEFL example, the gift selected for the bridge was rather expensive. Answer is which we. The gift which we selected for the bridge was rather expensive. Important note, connector can be something beyond made in informal English. Informal English and TOEFL structure connector are usually included. Skill 12. Use adjective clause, connector, or subject correctly. Definition. An adjective clause, connector can function as a connector, the subject of the clause at the same time. Common connector is who for people, which for a thing, that for people or thing. Example, she needs a secretary who typeface. Who is connector per subject. Next example is a secretary who types fast, invaluable. Who types fast is described secretary. Next, the notebook which is on the table has 4 sections, which is connector plus subject. Skill 13. Use reduced adjective clause correctly. Definition. A reduced adjective clause is a shorter form of an adjective clause. The connector is who, which, that, and the be verb are omitted pattern. Who, which, that, plus be, plus verb ing. Example, the woman who is waving to us. The woman waving to us. Next, who, or which, or that, plus be, plus verb 3. Example, the letter which was written last week. The letter written last week. Next, if there is a no be verb, omit the connector can change the verb into ing. Example, the article which appear in today's paper. The article appearing in today's paper. Important note, reduced adjective clause are only possible if the connector is also the subject. Number 2, some adjective clause can be reduced. Number 3, reduced clause can also appear at the beginning of the sentence. Example, the president who preparing to give speech is meeting his advisor. The president preparing to give a speech is meeting his advisor. Preparing to give a speech, the president is meeting his advisor.